Are you looking for the best torpedo levels in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best torpedo levels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the ideal 35-207 inches Electrician level. Made from CNC cut solid aluminum, the ideal 35-207 inches Electrician level earns our top overall spot for its versatility and durability. The packaging includes 2 durable acrylic vials that are easy to replace with an Allen wrench in case of breakage. The conduit thumb screw was very easy to use, and we especially liked that the magnets were embedded on a grooved rail, so that it snugly adhered to pipe materials. Its versatility is appealing, boasting 5 levels: a bull's-eye, horizontal, vertical, 30, and 45 degrees. This little level is one of the smallest in our test group, and has easy-to-read bubbles with a slow viscosity, which we preferred over more watery competitors. Although the vials were smaller than others, the color contrast with the aluminum frame and neon-colored liquid made for easy reading, even in low light. We appreciated that the 0 mark on the ruler coincided with the edge of the ruler, allowing the user to measure in a corner or against a surface without a gap. Though it may seem obvious, only this level and the Milwaukee 7-inch Billet shared this feature. The one-handed, grooved thumb screw mates well onto conduit and piping, holding fast at all angles. Up next in the 4th place is the Empire Level M81 9G 9-inch magnetic torpedo level. The Empire Level M81 9G was the favorite among budget-priced levels. The fluid in the vial had a slow viscosity that returned to a single bubble immediately and didn't break into foamy suds after impact. The plastic siding proved sturdy under durability testing and showed no cracks or breaks compared to other models in its class. The magnet was strong enough to hold the level inverted, but it did fall with the minimal effort of tapping 2 fingers against the lateral edge. We found the darker tinted fluid challenging to read in low-light working conditions, but it seems that Empire has changed to a light blue fluid since we tested this level. The small viewing window along the top edge was also difficult to read in low light and shaded corners. All that said, if you just need a level but want an aluminum frame, the Empire will do the job. We also think the Johnson 7509 inches below is a decent cheap level for those who just need one for infrequent use. The 3rd product on our list is the Johnson 7509. For those on a tight budget who can't justify spending more than a few dollars on a level, behold the Johnson 7509. Unlike other models in this review, this product provides durability not from the strength of its materials, but the resiliency of the plastic. This level is so lightweight that our durability test had little visible effect on the exterior. The darker vials and small view windows make it harder to read, and the magnet strip was less than inspiring when tested inverted. But we enjoyed the bright orange color that was easy to locate in a mess of tools or at a busy worksite. Thanks to its great price, our testers quickly recognized the Johnson as the best level for those on a shoestring budget or who only require minimal use. Second on our list is the Milwaukee 7-inch Billet. Our testers were impressed with a sturdy aluminum Milwaukee 7-inch Billet. The easy-to-read acrylic vials are accurate and bright. This level bested all others in magnet strength, capable of holding a 5-pound plate at 90 degrees. If you are working in a dynamic environment, you can be assured that this torpedo level will be where you left it. Our testers appreciated that Milwaukee set the 0 mark at the edge of the level rather than set an inch or more back from the nose as some competitors do. The ruler is convenient to use in a corner or against a surface. We all have fought cheap levels when the fluid separates into multiple bubbles, which is not a problem with this level. Milwaukee uses a fluid that makes it very difficult to separate the reading bubble into suds. No shaking or slamming the bubbles back together. The acrylic vials are durable, and during the drop test, this level did more damage to the concrete test surface than it received. Finally, the top product on our list is the Craftsman Torpedo 9-inch. Our favorite feature of the Craftsman Torpedo 9-inch level was the magnified horizontal vial that is easy to read. It was the largest vial of the products tested, and the notch that it sits in allows for top-down, 270-degree viewing, which can be handy in certain situations. The neon color of the fluid is easy to read and bright, even in near-dark conditions. The magnet held strong among the top group in testing, with a performance just below that of the substantially more expensive competitors when jostled inverted on HVAC ducting. However, during our durability test, we witnessed the rubber ends loosen and work out from the metal casing. They were easy enough to push back in, but this unnecessary feature would likely disappear in a tool bag or truck over time. Fortunately, this does not affect the accuracy of the product and is merely a design element that gave the product a rubbery bounce on the drop test. We expect this Craftsman model to give the home hand-eye person plenty of years of good service. And that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.